Alright, just picture this. Super Mario Bros. But it's multiplayer. Alright, that's it, that's the video.
Alright, that's a go.
So I started the project by drawing a bunch of sprites from the original game. But it was much funnier to adapt them a tiny bit. So I did. This is what we have now, after adding just a tiny bit of post-processing effects. Also, what the hell is wrong with this Goomba's feet? So the Goomba was not that hard to do. If you collide with something that is not the ground, you change direction. I then increased the gravity of Mario by a lot and added some UI at the top of the screen. I absolutely love shaders. This glow shader will allow me to do the box animation super fast. Okay, so don't judge me, but for the first 5 levels, I actually didn't know there was a snap tool in Unity. Right there. So yeah, I had to learn this the hard way. Also, you can now die from falling. It was about time to start working on the first secret passage. I absolutely love that you have a custom music for the underground in this game. It's brilliant. You can now kill Goombas by jumping on top of their heads, and trust me, it took me a long time to do so. Okay, now, when the timer goes below 100, a warning sound is played, and yeah, music accelerates. And to finish day 1, I finished with some pixel art. Okay, let's give it a try. Close enough. Okay, cool, so now you can become Big Boy, and if you take damage, you become invisible for some time, and you shrink. Okay, so this is supposed to be an invisible block that you can only hit from the bottom. Oh yeah, and it's supposed to be a 1-up. Here we go. Unlike the original game, the Goombas are not gonna fall to their death, which is a good thing for a multiplayer game. Let me try something real quick. Okay. Neat. That's perfect. Wow, that actually felt so good. And now what do we have here? Also, this is flag, and this is castle. You can now finish the level and get a ton of points based on how high you reach the flag. Also, the game converts your remaining time into score. Nice! Okay, good. Now that we have the basics of the game, it's time to start working on level 2. Level 2 adds 2 new mechanics to the game. The warp zone system, and some infinite platforms. I said I wanted to make this a multiplayer game, right? So let's use Photon to do that. So I made this main menu screen, a lobby screen, oh, and also that thing. And then we had it, baby! A multiplayer system that could handle up to 20 players at the same time. And in order for you to recognize yourself, I added a username on top of your player. I never did complex animations before for one of my games, so I wanted to try out for this one. He's actually so cute though. Yay! I'm Barry Allen, fastest man alive.
Here, and we only want this to play if we are currently not jumping, so it's jump.
And voila! We now not only have animations for our Mario, but it's also now synchronized across the server. And the last thing I did for that day was some pixel art. We now have animations for all 3 shades of Marios. Oh, and I added that cute little thing. Do not ask me why, but for some reason I was too lazy to do the Koopa right now. Meh. Instead, I added the plants and it's working like a charm. Third level was kind of simple. We just added a translating platform and that was about it. If you guys recognize this castle, that means we're in business. It's Bowser time. So I added some lava with some tiny translation animation and the fire line as well. Both kill you, obviously. Bowser is actually almost done now. It would be so cool though if, you know, you could turn and actually face you. Okay, nice. On the 5th level, I finally found out about the grab settings. Look at how easy it is now. Can't believe I didn't know about this. Oh god, my animator is getting out of control. Boing. Boing. Oh, and you can now climb the flag and I don't know. First ocean level. Working like a charm, as always, yay. Jokes aside, I love this level so much, it's so relaxing. Some fishes, bubbles, and what we call in French, calamar, and we're good to go. So next mechanic was some flying fishes, because I have no idea at this point. And I finished the day by adding a cute fireball for the next Bowser level. If you know the Hammer Brothers, you probably know what pain is like. The next level I added those tiny things. Yeah, that's about it. By the way, I have to tell you, at first I was not planning on adding every single level of Super Mario Bros. But I kinda had fun with it, and I couldn't stop at the end, so I kept going. I hate this dude. I think it's called Latico or something, and he just follows you until the end of time. It was quite easy to implement though. For the next level I had to implement this creature and... Next mechanic to add was a cannon with, I think it's called Billy Bills? I'm not sure. And I ended the day with this level. The bullets actually reached the entire level this time. I swear to God, like, this game is super hardcore. I cannot show you guys every single level I created because there's too much and the video will be too long. But I did make the 32 levels of the original game. Oh yeah, the game was not hard enough. Bowser can now literally throw tons of hammers at you. That's fun. Dude, how is this even allowed? What the f... Oh, and I also added the Infinite Castle level. And this is a solution on how to beat it. Okay beta, 3 more levels and you're actually done. Why do these guys even exist? Like, how? Why? And finally I made the very last level. It's kind of a labyrinth with an underwater level. And of course you kill Bowser at the end. And this is my end screen. Yes, it took me 11 days to add the Koopas, but you know, they're there now. I even added those jumping Koopas. Close enough. Okay, you now have fireballs. That's kinda cool. And to finish the day, I made it so that when every player finished a level, it automatically goes to the next one. On the last day, I added a way to display the score of each players at the beginning of each level and a leaderboard at the end of the game. And that was it. The game was done. And finally, this is me playing with my friends. We got to play as 4 players, but as I said, you could potentially play as 20 players. So here it is.
Can I go down?
Some of them, yes.
There is, yeah, some of them.
Okay.
There's definitely.
Is there a way to see or?
Oh no, that's the beauty of
God.
Mario.
Dude,
Oh,
you
look.
Wait,
Oh, I got it.
you ran him into me.
Okay.
We got it, Bo.
Okay.
I thought we were friends.
Also, the time is getting dangerously low, so.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Fine.
That's fine.
Is there a way to like dash down?
Dash
No,
down?
not in the original.
No.
Oh, okay. I never played the original.
And I'm not there anymore. Oh, let's go!
We move
It's so cute. Let's go. Oh my god, you pushed me. Oh my god.
You did.
We little again. Here,
I
power up.
forgot.
Right there. Right there.
I got one.
Okay, we're on fire.
Remember, do not shoot a fireball at somebody when they're really close or you'll go backwards. Just
really?
FYI. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
try.
Try it.
Whoa!
So, the longer you can keep your power-ups, the better, basically. So
I don't need your power-ups. I'll play Mini Mario the whole time.
It's going to be 3 out of 3. We're gonna go automatically to the next level, and we're gonna see the scores of every player. And as you can see, Trevor has the best score.
Wow.
Look at me go.
Go on top of my shoulders and go up. Do it, man. Yeah. But
Or accidentally kill each other on platforms.
absolutely, yeah. So basically, here it's dangerous as fuck.
I don't know how did I die from going too high?
Yes.
I jumped.
I think I pushed him.
Yeah. Absolutely. No, absolutely.
How dare you?
Absolutely. If you go too high, you can die. It's definitely the case. And if you go,
it's just like real life. The realism is staggering.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh shit. Okay. Sorry. 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Alright. Didn't work.
Okay.
It's me, Mini Mario.
It's a me, Mini Mario. I never tried this in multiplayer. Hopefully it works. Here we go. It works. Trev is still number 1, by the way.
I don't know why.
Still last.
I don't remember, actually. Oh, you pushed me! Fuck!
No,
Dude, no!
Watch out!
Oh god, I'm spinning again anyway. Fuck you guys, I'm going.
Wait,
Abandon this.
let's follow him. No, fuck! I'm not fire anymore.
Don't push me, man.
Yep. Come back.
Yeah, you're going down, man. You're going down.
Oh, I'll just keep pressing space. Oh god!
No.
Okay.
I'm dead.
You got it.
I
I'm dead.
cannot trust
I'm dead.
you.
I'm literally dead.
I am running away.
Sorry, you
Dude,
died.
how are you number 1? Like, what's happening? You're so good at the game.
It's because I write chip tunes.
God damn it! I
nearest trap.
knew it, man. I got 1,000
I
points.
hit the pole.
Do it. No.
Oh.
It's
Come
the
on,
U.S. economy, actually.
How much?
Yeah. The US.
What are you talking about? I have to mute that out of the video.
I'm almost
Why?
positive.
It's true.
It's true though.
Look at the national debt. What are you talking about?
Yeah. Actually, it's true. Yeah. Wait. Wait.
The one with the name on yours.
The one with no names.
Yeah. The one
Yeah,
with,
one
no,
with no
names.
name.
A girl has no name. You know.
So one thing I noticed, this is not a co-op game because
Oh god.
we all
Yeah,
we all pushed
off
us
with
each other.
everything.
Oh, killed her.
Yeah, like that.
God damn
Well,
it.
it's
so
like a
funny.
comp.
Okay. We got it.
Oh, I
It's
want
like
to
a
try to
co-op
go
game,
up
but
there.
Guys, imagine if there were 20 people like playing. Like,
Oh god.
that'd be a
Insane.
mess, man.
That would be mad funny though.
Like I thought it was a co-op game, but all that ever happens is everyone pushes each other's off the map,
Oh yeah, don't get me wrong. This is a competition.
which is funny.
This is absolutely not a co-op game.
God damn it.
No time. Oh,
Oh shit.
thank you, Beta.
Oh man.
Dude, but I'm stuck.
Wait, what did you
Don't
do?
want negative points.
We can do this, Matt. We got this.
Yeah, we got this. I'll finish
we
before
got
you.
this. No. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
He said it.
You heard me.
He said it.
Okay. All right.
And seeing other like
Yes.
struggle.
Yes, challenge accepted at once.
No way. I'm dead.
Yeah,
Skip it.
Okay.
Every time I kill one of these guys and I jump on the goddamn turtle, I die.
Oh fuck! I died. I know. The turtle shells are basically don't do it.
Okay, I can see your 3 screens.
I
now.
literally got spawn camped by a turtle shell. Just FYI, I cannot hear you guys. All I hear is
Oh yeah, I'm sorry about this.
Same.
all I literally hear right now is
We can do this. I believe in us.
yeah, there's no shells, so I'm good. There's no spawn camping.
Okay. Be careful about those shells.
There's a boost.
Oh god, I'm gonna die.
I'm not gonna kill any turtles anymore because
Yeah, it's dangerous. It's actually safer not to kill them. Oh my god, you pressed me!
I don't trust you guys.
Okay.
You shouldn't. I'm dead again.
Yeah, you definitely.
You can trust me. Don't worry.
This one's hard.
Oh, look there.
Yeah, actually, this one is not easy. Like, it might be the hardest Bowser level.
Oh fuck, I'm dead
Honestly,
again.
I'm just surprised if at least one of us can do it. The one who wins this level is just titled, yeah, best player of all time. Yeah, let's just
here we go,
let's just
okay.
do this. Dude,
No way.
do it, glitch, do it.
I'll try.
You can do it, bro.
Super fast.
In all my games, almost, you can glitch through the walls, like literally. And I don't even care because that's a feature.
I tried in the original, the plant.
Yeah, the plant waits for you.
Oh, the plant waits for you? I didn't know.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
But
You're forgiven. You're forgiven.
but it's way too easy then. No?
Yeah, it's way too easy.
Wait, what the fuck?
This isn't Dark Souls, this is Mario.
Let's boost. Oh.
You got it. Spam.
Yeah,
Here you go, Trevor.
Okay.
Let's go, Chex.
Go, go,
That
go.
worked.
You guys can do it.
Oh, you got it, Chex.
Oh, almost.
Oh, there you go. I got it.
Okay, Chex, do it.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh no.
Oh, it's Bowser.
What? Look at me.
What the
I
fuck?
saw that.
Okay, I'm dead too. No, I finished it. I was dead.
No way.
I was dead,
Oh.
and basically my corpse finished the last damages.
No. I'm dead.
Oh fuck, these platforms. They move so fast.
Oh yeah, they're even faster, man. They are even faster. Oh god, Matt. What are you doing, Matt?
No.
Matt,
Oh, God.
you're pushing me. God damn it.
This is an
Sorry,
original
Matt.
level.
Oh god. Oh god!
I'm trying.
Forward for the love of Christ.
I don't remember this one.
Beta, you cockblock me into oblivion.
Same.
Oh my fucking god. No.
Trey! You savages!
Okay, I think it's gonna be hard.
That's also what she
Actually?
said?
No? What? Oh god. Oh my god. You're good at this.
That's
Yeah.
also what she said.
Bowser has a new superpower. You'll see.
Shooting out fucking 10,000 hammers at once?
Exactly, that's his
I mean,
superpower.
what do you mean? I already got to him and I died, like, immediately.
Fucking god. I'm a beast.
Oh, there you go.
I'm literally.
That was easy.
We all did it, man. Let's go.
GG.
GG's. Here we go. Here we go. Well, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like, and if you want to see more game dev videos, consider subscribing to the channel. Until then, I'll see you next time.